that's all we do. Hold up, little homie, let me talk my truth. Made an Instagram for my cat, and my cat doesn't even rap and got more followers than you. Hold up, let me get my cat a bar. She's filthy. Hey, Cairo, come here, baby. Now my cat's more famous than you ever will be. Can't tell me nothing. I'm it's like big cousin, but when you're drunk at the wedding, still don't fuck. That's my cousin. That's my cousin. That's my cousin. Like you don't know what's up. Bradley, he's Cuzzo. You're embarrassed, huh? I'm in Paris, bruh. You brought your whole crew. I'm with my parents, bruh. Every white dude in America went to the barber shop. Give me the Macklemore haircut. Australia, they heard of me. Germany, they heard of me. Japan, they heard of me. It's a murder scene, you gon' learn some things. My name, Ron Burgundy. I'm bad news with a pen flute and a plaid suit. No kangaroo. I do work for free. And we danced, and we cried, and we laughed, and had a really, really, really good time. Take my hand, let's have a blast, and remember this moment for the rest of our lives. Our lives, our lives, our lives. Tonight, 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 'cause tonight's the night, am I right? Dance feels like a night for a party. My nature so naughty. There's a knock on the door, it's the neighbors. Quick cut, block it, we're having a holdout. You hose down, don't let me pull my hose out. 'Cause it's big, long, paper strong. I've been known the time to slack all night long. Grab my hand, play this song. DJ, save my life, come on. Leave your feet back off the wall. Free your feet and pussy pop. If you don't have a butt side, pop cock into a boot tie. To a boot tie, yeah, yeah. We danced, and we cried, and we laughed, and had a really